Hello, how's it going, everyone? I hope you guys doing good in the stock market today. There's so many good news going on with NEO today, and also I'm gonna go over the overall market, how the overall market is doing today. And if this is your first time on my channel, please give me a like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notifications for the next NEO video. And today, Fed just had the meeting. The Fed just planned to swing its balance sheet by $95 billion a month. And also the meeting minutes indicate that 50 basis point interest rate increase are ahead for next month. So the next Fed meeting is going to be in May, and that's the meeting that we're looking for to determine the next interest rate hike, okay? And there's many people that are expecting that that's going to be multiple interest rate hike. They are talking about 250 basis point for this year, to control inflation. The main question is, by the Fed doing that, is it going to really help the inflation or not, right? There's many analysts are worried about, the decision that the Fed is making right now. It might not help the inflation as how the Fed was fixed inflation in the past, right? Because in the past it's a different situation. And now there's so many factors that cause inflation. The supply chain issue, like the war in Ukraine, COVID is still going on around the world, right? So that also going to affect the overall economy, right? Okay, let's look at the NEO's chart. It was looking really good before the Fed meeting, okay? So NEO actually topped at $24.50. That is more like a buy the rumor, sell the news to me, right? So before the Fed meeting, and all the stock go up, right? All the stock go up for 1 or 2 days, and today all the traders taking profit from the past couple of days, gain, right? So to me, the traders are taking this Fed meeting as opportunities to buy the rumor, sell the news, and and took profit. Because there's still a lot of uncertainty in the market. Just put in this place, right? There's still a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. But however, let's take a look at this article. But however, the Chinese fund managers are asking investors to calm down and to have faith. So they're saying that the worst is over, okay? So the worst is over in the first quarter. It has bottomed out, So they are saying that, with all those 90% sell off on all those Chinese tech stock that already bottomed out in the first quarter. So what does that mean? As we can see on the chart, right? The first quarter, NEO, the low was in the $13. It actually recovered from $13 to $22, $23 this week, right? It came back 80% from the bottom. But however, I don't really like what happened today, that NEO actually broke down the uptrend line that I draw. So let's see how the market is going to do tomorrow and Friday. You really want it to go back up to that $23 or $24 in order to continue the uptrend. So we want it to hold that $21 and then bounce back up to $24 and and hopefully to break that $25 Friday or next week, and then we continue back to the uptrend. This is what we need to aim for, short-term target price. So if we can break through that $25, that would be a strong resistance. If we break through that, we're gonna continue back to the uptrend. Let's talk about a couple of news that going on with NEO. First one get me really excited about is NEO is looking to license out its battery swap technology. Think about this. This is a huge news that can drive another revenue stream to NEO, right? So it licensing it out these technologies, so NEO can get licensing fee for licensing it out. That's also another good way to generate revenue. Like especially right now, NEO is the first mover on the swapping technologies, and NEO is the only one that is going like heavy on these swapping technologies. The second big news, so NEO's launched the first autonomous driving model ET7. So Tesla been doing that. So this is also a good technology that NEO's gonna have. It's called the NAD, right? So think about this, right? In the future, no one gonna need to drive, the car yourself, right? It's auto drive. You don't have to do anything. Just get into the car. It's just gonna auto drive, auto park for you. So the third news for NEO is NEO's upgrade services that allow users to rent cars, like software subscriptions. So previously, that NEO been offering car rentals, but it doesn't seem much attention, right? So now the company is upgrading a different business model for the rental car business. So it's taking a different approach, right? So now you can actually rent a car like software subscriptions on a monthly basis. And each car is rent at a different prices. The cost is reduced each month. So NEO is thinking a different way, to attract customers to rent their cars, and that can help generate more revenues. And let's look at the 19 Wall Street analysts that is average forecast price for NEO in the near term is $44.06. So that is 100% upside based on the Wall Street analyst forecast from this current price at $21.68. And also with a strong buy ratings on NEO. And we also saw Citigroup and UBS upgrade to a buy rating recently, and after NEO's first quarter earning. So there's so many good things that NEO's going on right now. The managements are thinking so many different ways for NEO to generate additional revenues and also upgrade and improving their technology, and NEOs are heading to the right directions. And all we need to do is just be patient to waiting for that $44 target price to hit, right? This, hopefully it's gonna be this year. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please give me a like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notifications for the next NEO video.